Yes, this is exponents and radicals, worksheet 1. Express each of the following in exponential form. You can see in question number 1, it is given in radical form. That means 5th root of 35, 11th root of 27 square. Third number is 7th root of 11 upon 3 and cube root of 2 by 5 to the power minus 3. This is all radical form as it is given by the expression of root. And now we have to express it in the exponential form. Exponential means the power. There must be power. So the base number is 35 in question number 1. This is 35. So we will write the base number 35 here, and what is the power of 35? The power of 35 is 1 and the root is 5. So this will be 35 to the power 1 upon 5. We know that radical comes in denominator and power comes in numerator. So this 1 will be the numerator and this 5 will be denominator to the power of 35 to the power 1 by 5. Now question number 2 is 11th root of 27 squared. So we do it 27 to the power 2. 27 to the power 2 upon 11. The 11th root comes in denominator. Now question number 3 is 11 by 3. If this is a base number, so we write 11 upon 3 and then to the power 11 upon 3. What is the power of 11 upon 3? It is 1. 1 by 7. This is exponential form. That means the exponent of 11 by 3 is 1 by 7. And fourth one is 2 by 5 to the power minus 3 by 3. So we write it 2 by 5 to the power minus 3 by 3. As we have to express it in exponential form, we can further solve or we can leave it as it is. So we divide 3 by 3, it will be 1. So finally we can write 2 by 5 to the power 3 by 3 is minus 1. So this is the answer. Similarly, you can write all the other questions 5th, 6th, 7th given in your book. Now question number 2, we have express each of the following as radicals. In question number 1, it was in radical. We have written it in the form of exponential form. And now it is given in exponential form and we have to express it as radicals. So question number 1 is 21 to the power 1 by 8. So this numerator 1 will be the power of 21. So 21 to the power 1 is 21 and the 8th root. So 8 will be the radical. So we write down here 8th root of 21 to the power 1. So 1 we need not to write. Now second number question is 25 to the power 3 by 4. That is 4th root. This 4th root of 25 cube. So we write down here. We give the root sign and then the denominator is the 4th root of the base number is 25 to the power. This numerator is the power 3. That is 25 cube. Now fourth question is 2 by 9 upon to the raised 1 by 9. So we will write 9th to the power 9th root of 2 by 9. So we write down here 9th root of 2 by 9. We do not write power 1, and if we write power 1 then it's not incorrect. Now fourth one is 100 to the power minus 5 by 6. So what should be the answer? Sixth root of 100 to the power minus 5. So we write down here, sixth is the radical root of 100 to the power minus 5. And then we have the next one, 8 by 9 to the power 3 by 4. So we write down fourth root of 8 by 9 cube. So we write down here, fourth root of 8 by 9 to the power 3. So this is the whole answer. We have written exponential form into the radical form. Now we have question number 3. Express each of the following with positive exponent. You can see that all the exponents are given some negative values. We have to write down in positive exponent. So we apply the formula x to the power minus m. We remember the formula. Let me remind you the formula here. X to the power minus m is equal to 1 by x to the power plus m. This formula we will apply to express in the positive power, because you can see this is negative power and we have written it in the positive power. So this way we will express all the questions with positive exponent. So we write down here, x to the power minus half is 1 upon x to the power plus half. Now second question is x to the power minus 2 by 5. We will write 1 upon x to the power plus 2 by 5. Third is 7 upon x to the power minus 5 by 6. So when the exponent of x is negative 5 by 6, it will from denominator, it will be shifted to numerator to make it positive power. So we will write it 7 into x to the power 5 by 6, because first it was in denominator with negative power. So its reciprocal will be in numerator, x to the power positive 5 by 6. Now we have x to the power m into n. We remember the formula, when power to the power we multiply. So minus 3 into 4 will be x to the power minus 12. So x to the power m to the power n is x to the power mn. We apply this formula. So we write x to the power 3 minus, plus minus is minus, 3 4s are 12. So x to the power minus 12, and this is equal to 1 upon x to the power plus 12. So this is the answer. This is the way we have written all the exponent, negative exponent to the positive exponent. So this way you will complete worksheet 1.